Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best home improvement tips and tricks. Today we'll be showcasing our guide on how to apply lintel beam plastering techniques, a crucial step in any construction project. Plastering lintel beams is essential to ensure you have an even and aesthetically pleasing wall, so let's get started. Materials and equipment. Before you begin, let's quickly go over the materials and tools you'll need. You'll need sand and cement, a plaster hawk, trowels, a bucket, a mixing drill, and PVA adhesive. Preparation. First, you need to clean the lintel beams thoroughly, removing any dirt, dust, or other debris. Use a dry or wet cloth, depending on how dirty the lintel beam is. Next, apply the PVA adhesive to the lintel beams. This will ensure that the plaster will adhere better and give you a smoother finish. Mixing the plaster. Now, let's get to work mixing the plaster. First, add sand and cement to your bucket, ensuring a ratio of 3 parts sand to 1 part cement. Use your mixing drill to stir the contents while gradually adding water until the mixture reaches a smooth and creamy texture. Plastering the lintel beams. Using a plaster hawk, scoop up the plaster from your bucket and start applying it to the lintel beam. Top tip: make sure the plaster trowel is laid flat, so it adheres to the surface properly. Try to spread the plaster evenly on the surface, applying it in a thin layer to avoid an uneven finish. Work your way around the beam, ensuring that you fill all the small gaps before applying the top coat. Once the first layer has dried, smooth out the surface using a trowel, making sure you don't leave any bubbles, dents, or uneven parts. Apply another layer of plaster using the technique you used for the first one, and repeat the process until you get the desired smooth and even surface. Finishing touches. After the final coat has dried, lightly sand the lintel beams with a fine grit sandpaper, ensuring that you get the perfect contemporary look. You can also add some finishing touches, such as painting or wallpapering, to make your walls look unique and stylish. Conclusion: there you have it, folks, the perfect guide to applying lintel beam plastering techniques.